another video, and today's video is a SCRAWLR box unboxing video. This box is looking a little rough than all the other ones, but that's okay. We're gonna get it open. Okay, I'm gonna do this off camera and I'll be back. Okay, so we got the tape off. We're gonna look the address and rip that off and get this open. So this is already a little broken, but that's okay. So this is the art piece of the month. This is for December 2020, and this is by Marta Betles, an artist from Poland, and learned my craft studying art at the University of Zielona Góra. In my creative life, I have produced jewelry, made wedding fascinators, designed mascot clothes, but after many very creative years, I have finally returned to my painting roots. It's absolutely beautiful. I love how abstract it is, and yeah. So we got our SCRAWLR design explaining the supplies that are in here slightly, and kind of showcasing the artist and all that jazz. So let's move that to the side and let's get opening with this. Get all of this out of here. And again, it's going to be a watercolor medium, which is fine. And if I remember correctly, this box has no candy this time. So, but we got an extra sticker, so that's kind of cool. So this is the sticker. This is our little menu. We got Marabou art crayons, which is these ones. We got them in 3 different colors. We got pink, I'm assuming it is either blue or purple, and yellow. So these art crayons are buttery smooth, wax-based soft pastels in a sturdy, fully loaded, retractable holder with an ergonomic grip and a clear protective cap. They are versatile mediums suitable for a variety of fine art and mixed media work. They work well on raw or prime surfaces such as paper, canvas, fabric, or wood. They produce vivid, light, fast pigments and are water soluble, so you can also be used to create seamless blends and washes that are wipe resistant after 24 hours. These crayons are highly forgiving art product that you can work with tons of ways, working and reworking with your creative heart's content. So the next thing that we do have in here is this, which is the Faber-Castell Gold Faber pencil in 6B. High quality, very versatile graphite pencil with a super soft core, perfect for expressing yourself through sketch. A great addition to your art supply collection and excels with its exceptionally sketching performance. So Faber-Castell is a type of pencil that I use on a regular basis, so this is actually really nice for me. The next one is a Derwent kneadable eraser. You all know what a kneadable eraser is, so I'm not even going to take it out of this. This one is suitable for graphite colored pencils and pastel pencils. It can be used to create a variety of erasing techniques. So this is the Royal and Nickel Taklon brush. It's a high quality instrument created with expert craftsmanship. It is suitable for all manner of water-based mediums and is easily cleaned with soap and water to remove pigment residue, ensuring long durability in use. And this one is in the size 4. And then last but not least, we got the Derwent watercolor pad, which is 300 GSM, A5, developed especially for water-soluble pencils. The smooth paper is perfect for water-soluble color, inks, and watercolor paints. So our theme this month for that month is expressive expressions. So each box provides you with a selection of art supplies and inspiration, but also want to spark your creativity. So this is a SCRAWLR challenge. So I'm assuming, considering this is going to be a pretty abstract-y type of piece. So I think I know exactly what I'm going to do with this. So it's a good thing I'm recording this now, because we're gonna get onto a little something to do this. So let's jump into it. Well, first we're gonna test the supplies, then we're gonna get onto the little something. Okay, so what we're gonna do is test out these supplies, like I mentioned. So let's get into it. So let's test out the art crayons on their own. Oh, that's really smooth. It kind of feels weird to me. And apparently they're water soluble. So they are water soluble, but they do leave a mark behind, so it's not like I can get a smooth one. But let's see if I can get some mixes. Okay, so you can kind of get mixes. So let's try to do a seamless blend. What's my faith in you? Kind of. It's not bad. So then we got this pencil here, 6B. I'm going down smooth. Doesn't really come off though. So let's recap what we're supposed. Expressing expressions. So more like artistic liberty maybe.
Hello everyone! So I just wanted to jump on and do a little bit of a voiceover for this, and the reason I'm doing this is because I just want to talk about the material. Now the material really felt weird to me, even though I wasn't holding it in direct contact with the material, it still had a weird feeling when I was putting it down. However, this has got to be one of my favorite things I've gotten so far, other than the Posca pens. And this piece was really out of my comfort zone in doing. It gives me vibes of the Imperfection piece, where it was also out of my comfort zone. However, it gives me that style vibe, and I'm here for it. Honestly, I'm really happy with the way that I'm turning in my art into. I'm still doing my manga art and all that jazz. That's still part of me. It forever will be a part of me. But my personal art, for the things that I do personally for myself, I like the way that this is going. I'm not much of an abstract-y person, but this is helping me a lot to get out a lot of emotions that I need to get out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the process, and I'll see you guys at the end.
Far too many choices. My blood rushes through my veins. Your pale lips, they part again. Lay still, 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 still. Voices to voices and lip to lip, lay still, still, still. Why should I wish for another when I've got you? Lay still, still, still. Lay still, still, still.
you are listening to a pre-recorded outro. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified, and I'll see you all in the next video. Yumi-chan, over and out.